Creating a group. As a teacher, you can create groups by going to the Groups tab and clicking on the Create Group button. Check that you are in the correct organization and then create the group details. You can add the group image and choose the start date and end date. Here you can also select if students can only access group materials that you choose to share with them, and whether you want the group to be removed at the end date. You can create an invitation code as well as login codes so students can join without creating an account. Once you are ready, you can copy the group invitation code and get the group info here. You can save this file so that you can give your students the login codes. Once you have created the group, you can always edit the group by clicking on the Edit button. You can add additional codes, and you can also add students manually using the search bar. Remember to save the new details by clicking on the Update button or deleting the group if it is no longer needed.